Alright guys, I
Put it
think
there.
it is time to get started on Botania. So put that there, put that there, put that there. We will automate this later, but for the time being I just want to get some living
Help
rocks
install new software.
and
Help
such.
install new software.
I went around looking for the Primus flowers and I found one. It was a single nightshade. Very useful. But hey, we got these. Pure daisies going, doing their thing. It'll be glorious when it finishes because then we can make mana pools and throw down these 9 day blooms that I have. They require gold.
Not find file? What are you talking about? File's right there.
Apparently, I need to have some gold.
Here we go.
Does require living wood. Living wood. Okay, so it is that.
Oh wow, that looks really weird. Good zero space.
Wait a minute.
Ourselves some living wood. First we need that, then we need a mana pool. Let's see, where's the chunk boundary? Stick it right there on the chunk boundary. Alright, and then we also need a thing of the forest, so for the time being, throw that down.
Launching client is encountered a problem. Occurred during launching client, Java line null pointer exception. Oh, that's fun.
Yay, NPE.
Had to set
And
the
that's
JVisual
because the
EXE
server
clips.
is different
window.
than the...
Someone else had the same issue. Preferences, run debug.
Server is different than the...
Launching Visual VM configuration.
from client TPS.
Browse for the Visual VM executable in your JDK's bin directs. JDK?
Oh, it's actually not bad.
Yeah, Java development can be required for
Why would Visual VM be executable be in there?
well, the problem is that you're trying to run it as a JRE instead of the JDK, and the Eclipse isn't using the JRE, it's using the JDK. So it's got one in both, designed to run with one of the either.
There we go. I got it working. You're running Visual VM using the Java runtime environment. What? I told it not to.
That's funny.
I got it to launch, but now it's... Also, Visual VM is made by Oracle. Not surprisingly. Oh yeah, because it's looking for the G. It's looking at the JRE for the JDK. That's not what I want. JDK 55. Or that. There we go. It works. Rail start. That's exactly what I'm looking for. It's showing me the memory usage. Yeah, I got visual VM for the dev environment now. By the way, builder,
Yeah.
destroy Java Visual VM is not here. on
It's
the
only
thread
on
list.
dedicated servers, isn't it?
Oh yeah, right. Derp. I forget. See, I forget.
What's huh?
Don't worry about
It's,
it.
it's a thread that we found one day while debugging, and it has a very suspicious name, and it's only on dedicated servers.
BiomFX loader just started, so I can see its thread going. Code Chicken update checker. Java sound event dispatcher. Territory zone logger. All my threads. Chromatograph structure gen. Just hit an error and continued. So I got like I do a lot of concurrency actually. I've got like 6 separate threads. Oh, there's another thing, sound library loader. That's not mine. Most of the threads are unnamed, like thread 23 to thread 26, thread 13.
Most of Minecraft.
Oh yeah. Basically, if you don't pass in an argument, it just like it for name, it just calls it like thread dash number. LWJGL timer. AWT shutdown. Oh, Minecraft's already open. Derp. Okay, so let's go in the game now. LK Visual VM.
I need to get a Botania Lexicana.
Memory usage isn't too bad. Primary sucks though. Now let's find out why.
That is a problem. My goodness.
Oh, that's not good.
But that said, Lexica.
Retro?
Minecraft World gets saved light value.
Oh, fuck.
This is the cause of the low frame rates in my dev environment. So I have a feeling it's one of my things, right? I'm trying to figure out what.
Fuck.
Get skyblock type brightness,
I
render HUD text. Wait, what?
I hate Minecraft's stupid lighting engine.
Mhm.
Whoa. Have enough storage drawers there.
No, I'm actually running out.
This is not on the server. This is in my dev environment.
Yeah, a lot of these things should be in like chess in a logistics system.
Woo! Logger out dot. Oh no, that's its own thread. Never mind.
Anyway. Ooh, shiny.
Where are you going?
I'm currently loading your damn base. Because it doesn't want to do that on its own.
Net Minecraft world server tick, world server chunk. Update light value. So it's constantly updating light values. And Thaumcraft common block area get light value. Oh, that doesn't show up in anything. Go away. Right. Chunk duck. That block is just being called stupid number of times. So it's relighting, apparently. Causing the server thread to go crap. As for the client thread, have a look. Entity render.render world, render global.update renderers, render block by render type, render standard block, inclusion block old leaf, yada yada yada. No one cares about any of that. Okay, so it's all vanilla code by the looks of it.
Alright, let's make this
Up to our world client.
scepter
Text, set
thingy.
world
Having fun
time.
with your measuring tape there?
Set or create game rule. I guess that's just how Minecraft does it. Java lang integer.parseInt. 14 milliseconds.
What the fuck?
It's calling it some stupid number of times, probably. But it's all being called by vanilla code. But my frame rate just sucks ass in the dev environment because of vanilla.
That's
Wonderful.
That's
This
impressive.
is only
that
in
it
non-super
sucks.
flat worlds. Wait, what?
It's amazing that it sucks because of the dev environment.
Well, see, it didn't used to. I used to get really high frame rates in the dev environment. Well, at least we figured out that it's not anything on my end.
Tomer,
yes.
where'd you fall? Oh, there you are.
Which way do I have some?
Ariaxes, join your channel
Tile.dirt.name.
Reika on the server.
Bub, 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 bub.
Yep.
Huh?
I'm
Oh,
compiling now.
Rain
Ah.
got reported that I broke tile.dirt.name.
Because Minecraft doesn't look like its names properly.
I shouldn't all be surprised for that.
Oh. I thought I had a bug. Apparently, I was using the wrong axe.
Huh?
Whoops. I thought that the bedrock axe wasn't for some reason breaking Twilight Oak the same as it was doing everything else. Like the Twilight Oak wood.
Yeah, but you
Then-
were using the wrong axe.
Yeah. So I'm gonna go hide my tail between my legs and go back to the channel.
Bye bye.
Because I'm a dumbass.
As are we all.
Ariaxes left your
Having fun
channel
there?
and switched to Omega Half
I
Surf.
thought
Can't
that was
wait
the
up
back
on the
button,
server.
not the share button.
Yeah,
Yeah,
back is
click
at the
the-
bottom.
Yeah, click next all the way, and then the back one will come up.
Alright, well I'm gonna read through this book real quick and I'll be right back.
And once
Alright.
again, oh god, please tell me there's lectern, free spare lecterns.
That worked surprisingly well. I did not expect to get all the mana powder necessary for that. But anyway, it's 1... Oh crap, it's dropped. So 1, 1, 1, 2, 1,
There's no spare lecterns, is there?
One.
God damn it.
1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1. And then we get the seeds.
Well, fuck. Let's see if this works. Nah, well, fuck. So my linking book, as I was looking up the recipe to make a lectern, because I don't use Mistcraft, fell out of my inventory and disappeared. I assume because it landed on the portal to the last millennium, that it went through the portal.
No, it's just desynced. It's probably a few blocks lower than it actually is.
Aha, found it. Fuck, I hate Mistcraft.
Yeah, so do I.
Reika likes it though.
It's probably just because he's never used RFQs.
No, it's probably because he hates RF as a aspect of the game.
Fair enough.
Well, that was a lot of brown flowers that I just used.
You know, Mistcraft probably wouldn't be
Window
so
flames.
bad if it wasn't so fucking buggy.
It's buggy.
Desyncs, a random mob lands on your book stat, it appears as though the book goes away, worlds causing shit tons of lag because the decay effects are horribly implemented.
Yeah, I can see a lot of that.
It's really just this big fuck cluster of lag. I've never used RF tools, but I would sure hope it is better implemented than Mistcraft is.
I'm pretty sure it is. Holy crap, Reika moved spawn a fucking mile out.
He was tired of having people spawn in his territory because he claimed spawn.
Well, that's his fault for choosing a base at spawn. It's, you know, if you're going to have territories and you don't want people to break shit in your base, don't make it encompass the spawn zone.
Now, I understand what you're saying, but the area was pretty.
Yeah, it really sounds like that's the case, doesn't it? Alright, time to fight the Ender Dragon.
If you need help, I can help.
You're just volunteering to gangbang it.
It takes like 7 shots with my crossbow to kill. It's literally nothing to me at this point.
Goddamn Ender Dragon, at least let me get out of this shithole hole. Holy crap, how far deep is it?
It is quite a ways down. Alright, I think
Was the
that'll be...
coalescence orchid made to not be so incredibly laggy now?
Leggy for frame rate?
Last I knew, it was just... I don't really know exactly what was up with that, I just know that it was laggy.
I never heard that, so I don't know.
Well, considering I am hurting for cobblestone, I'm probably going to use one for a little bit. That is what happens when the one pick you have is an Instamine Silk Touch.
Yeah, that would cause you issues.
I would rather not have to bother running smooth stone through a sag mill.
Alright, so let's get these endo flames set
I'm
up.
back.
Mhm.
Oh boy.
I'll be right back. I need to do some thinking real quick. Alright, I've decided that I'm just
Yeah, but it
gonna
was
do it like
defined
this.
right after it. I didn't actually remove anything in between there. It came in.
No, I understand that.
Make
That's, you've just copied
lines of these.
that's an abstract method. See that? Public abstract
Yeah.
void? So something else that extends whatever class this came from will actually have a public void dispatch, which actually implements the function. So for example, you could have like net handler base, right, which public abstract void handle packet, and then net handler client public void handle packet, which does client handling, and then public
Alright,
and you
endo
do one
flame
for
farm.
server as well. And that's
So if we drop
how
coal right
method
here,
inheritance works. It's not doing nothing.
then coal right here, it should get all of them.
Alright, well, the thing is, it just says dispatch event, and it's not supposed to return anything, so why is it failing to call that?
It's throwing an error. It's not a return. It's throwing an error. See, catch throwable T throw no invocation target exception.
Yeah, but dispatch does literally nothing.
That's because the one you're looking at is an abstract
Have them
declaration.
drop onto these two blocks.
Okay, so where should I be looking for the actual one that's being...
Sound muted.
They're talking code, so I'm gonna mute for a moment while I do this. Let's see. Let's make some open crates. Alright, so we're gonna do 2 open crates, each dumping 4 endo flames. 4 coal, which should feed each of these guys, no problem. Actually, I'll probably make it make it drop. Oh, hold on. You need to do it in sets of 4 because that's what the atom conduits do. I'm gonna play around with some designs in single player and I'll be right back.